Hello and welcome back to a new video on how to fix. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat device ban. Now the reason Snapchat bans your device is because you violated the community guidelines of Snapchat. If you don't know what are the community guidelines of Snapchat, you can just open up your web browser and search for community guidelines Snapchat and you can take a look at all their conditions. If your device is also banned from using Snapchat, there is one way that you can bypass it. But however, this solution does not work for everyone, so you'll need to try out for yourself. So the first thing that you need to do is uninstall Snapchat from your phone. So remove Snapchat completely from your phone, and once Snapchat has been completely uninstalled, you can restart your app, tap on reboot, and now once the phone has been rebooted, open up the settings of your phone. Scroll down, head over the setting of date and time. Mine is inside additional settings and date and time. And here you'll need to turn off the automatic date updater. Once that is done, you'll need to choose a date 1 month ahead of the day the Snapchat was banned. So for example, if your device was banned on Snapchat today currently is 9th March, you'll need to make your date to 9th April. So whatever your date, you'll need to choose 1 month ahead. Now once that is done, you can now open up your Play Store or the App Store and download Snapchat again. And this way many people have been bypassing this device ban of Snapchat. Now if this solution does not work for you, the other thing that you can do is try contacting the customer service or the customer support of Snapchat. You can open up your web browsers and search for support.snapchat.com. Here tap on contact us and you can choose these options such as I can't access my account or I think my account was compromised, because there is no separate option called device ban. You can tap on it and a form will open up. You can just fill in your details and then tap on submit. So make sure to include the detailed explanation of the exact problem that you're facing. If this still does not work for you, the last thing that you can do is just wait out until the device ban is lifted. This may take several weeks or even several months, so there's nothing else you can do. You just need to wait out, or you can use a different device to log into your Snapchat. So these are the couple of solutions that you can try out, and there is no exact fix to this problem. So I hope I could help you out. If this video did help you, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be soon back with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.